Hi there. In this short video, I will walk you through some of the new features for 2025.1 IRIS for Health and FHIR as a Service cloud offering. What has changed? We actually redid the whole experience and based it on customer feedback and evolving market needs. As a result, we have a much faster, simpler, and secure way to move data from one FHIR server to InterSystems FHIR server. Let's dive deep into one that is already created. Here, the user will be able to see the 4 steps that they need to fulfill to create the book FHIR export. Here we offer out-of-the-box basic authentication or OAuth authentication. They define the credentials, they define the endpoint of the FHIR server, they define the resources that we're going to retrieve from that FHIR server, and the type. Where do I want to send the data to? Do I want to send the data to an InterSystems FHIR repository or a file server? Also new in 2025.1, we have this dashboard to manage all the exports. And you can see that you can schedule exports now. Hopefully you enjoy it. And please, I'll wait for you in Ready 25 in Orlando. Thank you very much.